Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, we saw the program and I have heard that it has been implemented in your school as well, the Mastermind Abacus Program.
Yes.
So, ma'am, is there any recommendation or suggestion that you would have for better implementation of such programs in schools?
Okay. If I see from where we have started, it is really going very well. If you ask me as recommendations, I would not say there are any recommendations as such, because the program is very well organized, very well planned. Our children really enjoy, and Abacus, or the program, the Lingo Bingo program, is not only about numbers. It's about building the 21st century skills, which is the need of the hour. Whether you look at CBSE, or you can talk about the NCF, they all talk about the skills. And this particular program is basically working on the skills which is going to stay lifetime. So we have seen through games, and I was really impressed by the Lingo Bingo program, because when it was said that 5-year-old child, what will they do in abacus class, but then that is the base that is formed and which will help them. So it's not only numbers that is working here, but the skills, and both the brains are getting activated. And nowadays, because we don't allow the child to think, this program actually gives the scope for both the brain sides to develop, and also to work on thinking, or logical thinking, or analytical skills. So I'm really very happy that we have implemented in our schools, and in fact my children, they actually wait for the classes. So I'm really thankful that skill based classes have started, and we are associated with MMA. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.